Welcome back to TerraTurn, where we bring you the best insights and guidance on building your career abroad. If you're interested in working in retail and exploring new opportunities, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 countries that offer amazing retail job opportunities: Australia, Germany, and Canada. From job markets to visa options and work culture, we'll cover everything you need to know to kickstart your retail career abroad. Make sure to stick around till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things career abroad. Let's start with Australia. Known for its beautiful landscapes and vibrant cities, Australia also has a booming retail sector. Cities like Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane offer a plethora of retail job opportunities, whether you're looking to work as a sales associate, visual merchandiser, or even a store manager. There are plenty of roles available for you. Retail jobs in Australia are not just about customer service. They also involve inventory management, sales strategy, and visual merchandising. The work environment is dynamic and values diversity and inclusivity, making it a fantastic place for people from all over the world to work. Now let's talk about some practical details. When it comes to visas, Australia offers a few options. If you're between 18 and 30 years old, the working holiday visa could be a great starting point, allowing you to work up to a year. Skilled migration visas for those looking for more permanent opportunities. And let's not forget about the benefits: competitive pay, flexible work schedules, and a supportive work culture. Sounds like a dream, right? Next, let's move to Germany, a country known for its efficiency and precision, even in retail. The retail market in cities like Berlin, Munich, and Frankfurt is bustling with opportunities, especially for roles like store assistants, customer service representatives, and department managers. The German work culture is all about efficiency, quality customer service, and teamwork. If you're someone who thrives in a fast-paced environment and loves interacting with people, then Germany could be the perfect destination for you. However, knowing some German can be a significant advantage, even though many international stores operate in English. Regarding visas, Germany offers the EU Blue Card, which is an excellent choice for skilled workers. Additionally, non-EU citizens can apply for a job seeker visa, which allows them to stay in Germany for up to 6 months while searching for a job. With competitive wages, robust worker protections, and paid leave, Germany's retail sector could be your gateway to a fantastic career abroad. Now let's talk about Canada. Known for its multicultural cities and friendly people, Canada also has a thriving retail sector. Cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal offer various retail roles, from clerks and cashiers to store managers and merchandisers. In Canada, customer satisfaction is key. You'll find a focus on teamwork and a positive work environment. Multilingual skills, especially French, are a big plus in regions like Quebec. The retail sector is expanding, providing plenty of opportunities for those looking to advance their careers. For visa options, the Temporary Foreign Worker Program (TFWP) is a popular route for foreign nationals. Plus, there are pathways to permanent residency through programs like Express Entry, which can be an excellent long-term option. Benefits in the Canadian retail sector include competitive salaries, healthcare, employee discounts, and ample opportunities for career growth. So how do you land a retail job in these amazing countries? Here are some quick tips. Research companies like multinational retail chains such as H&M, Zara, or IKEA, and also explore local brands. Tailor your resume to highlight your skills and achievements in the retail industry to make your application stand out. Leverage job portals like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor to find job openings and connect with potential employers. Learn the local language. Even a basic level of proficiency can give you an edge in the hiring process. Seek professional assistance from Global Mobility Services to help with the job searches, visa processes, and relocation logistics. Retail jobs can be your gateway to an international career filled with growth, adventure, and new experiences. Whether it's Australia's dynamic work environment, Germany's efficiency-driven market, or Canada's inclusive culture, each of these countries has something unique to offer. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next big career move abroad. Ready to take the next step towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TerraTurn for more insights on building your career abroad. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and take that leap of faith towards a global career.